Okay, in this case here it says a pea plant is with round seeds is crossed with a pea plant with wrinkled seeds. Now we've seen this legend before, but they're telling us what the nomenclature is for each allele. Capital R, let's make it into a functional legend. Capital R with a line means round, and the only way that we can get wrinkled is two little r's for wrinkled. Okay, so that's our legend. Now they're saying determine the genotypes of both parents. So here's one parent, underlying round seeds. The other parent, there's the cross we said, is with a wrinkled seed parent. So the round, we know must be capital R, but at this point we don't know what the other allele is until they gave us this clue in the question. They said if the round seed plant were heterozygous. Now we know that that must be a little r, because heterozygous means different. The wrinkled, of course, is going to be two little r's. It's the only way that you can have a wrinkled parent. So there's the answer for 10A. 10B, let's put the genotype phenotype frequency of that cross to get an F1 generation. So let's just put the capital R, little r, isolate those into gametes. Little r, isolate those into the gametes across the top and fill them in. Capital R, little r. It's going to be round. Okay, capital R, that's going to be round. Little r, wrinkled, and little r, wrinkled. Okay, so we can see that 2 out of the boxes are going to be round, 2 out of the boxes are going to be wrinkled, but we know we must reduce ratios, so that's going to reduce it to 1 and 1. 2 goes into 2, 1, 2 goes into 2, 1, 1 being round, the other one being wrinkled. Okay, and question C, determine the genotype and phenotypic ratio of an F2 generation. If 2 heterozygous round plants from the F1 generation, so they're talking about these guys, were allowed to cross-pollinate. So they're allowed to cross. And that means those parents are going to be capital R, crossed with a capital R, r. We already know what the phenotypic ratio is when both parents are heterozygous, but if we want to show that in a Punnett square, capital R, capital R, r, that's going to be round. That's going to be round. That's going to be round. And this is our only wrinkled. So what's our ratio? 3 of them are going to be round, as we would expect, and 1 of them is going to be wrinkled. 3 to 1 ratio. Any questions? Give me an email. Thanks, guys. Bye.